What I wish I knew before my trip to California. It's a land of dreams, adventure, and pure magic. From the bustling streets of Los Angeles, where celebrities walk and dreams come alive, to the iconic Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, basking in the mist. California is a treasure trove of experiences. Explore the awe-inspiring waterfalls of Yosemite, where nature paints with water, and wander through the ancient sequoias standing tall and proud. Whether you're a beach lover, a city explorer, or a nature enthusiast, California's got it all. So pack your bags and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. California is calling, and you must answer. Follow us for more epic journeys across the U.S.